Okay, here's a video for Vernon Fence. We're going to keep the posts and replace all this with a 6-foot side-by-side dog-eared, 2 Western red cedar rails, 1 kickboard on the bottom, and medium brown. And if we can upgrade them to clear, please do it. But some of these poles, I told them it'd be usually price is $125 per post. I told him $75 per post because he's a disabled veteran. So we're replacing all the clamps. As you can see, that one is a little loose, but I think it'll maybe pass muster. I don't know. That one's good. So we're going to replace all this from here to here. We're going to replace this here. Smooth side on the inside, the same here. As you can see, this does have, it looks like it has a double fence. No, I thought it had a double fence on there. You can see there. Thought it was on a retaining, well, part of it's on a retaining wall, as you can see here. And they might have some things, but we're not putting in new posts. It looks like they have turf on that side, so we don't have to worry about it on this side because you can see right there, it's only some of it. Then go this way, then we're going to replace it this way here, these posts here. And it kind of comes out this way. There is a big old shrub here, so that's the only thing that is that's not, can't really see where it's coming from. So I'm gonna have to, it looks like there's a double gate here, so we're not gonna mess with that other fence. We're gonna leave that alone, and we're gonna put his back where it is, exactly the way it is, keeping this post, okay? So this right here, I don't think we even have to mess with much. You can probably trim it a little bit, but I don't think it's going to be that big of a problem because we're going to keep these posts here and redo the line just like it is. And I told him it's $75 a post as opposed to $125 because he's a disabled veteran. And then again, there's a post. So it is on a, some of these posts are probably, this one right here is probably going to have to be replaced, and I'll let them know. That one's real loose. And then there may be a couple other ones. Yeah, this side is real loose here, and I'll let them know. I'm going to let them know that this side probably going to need 2 or 3 posts. And then over here, this one's a little more sturdy. This side definitely is very questionable on the posts. These are okay, and then replace these here. No gate here. Okay. All the clamps also need to be replaced. So that's going to be very questionable. This is definitely, one of these posts is bad. Really loose. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh. All right, that's it.